Focus on the heart sounds in each area. S2 is usually louder than S1 in the aortic area. S2 is usually louder in the pulmonic area also. Note the late inspiratory splitting of S2. Its first component, A2, is aortic. Its second component, P2, comes from pulmonic valve closure. In the left third interspace, both A2 and P2 may be heard again.
You may breathe normal now.
S2 usually diminishes in intensity as you proceed down the left sternal border. Meanwhile, S1 usually gets a little louder. In the tricuspid area, S1 may sound split. Its softer second component comes from closure of the tricuspid valve. Here at the mitral area, S1 is usually louder than S2. It comes from closure of the mitral valve.